Good morning, my dear friends. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, turn around, look around you. Take your left leg, put it on your right leg. No matter how high is it, try to balance. Deep breath. Now take your right leg and put it on your left. Deep breath. Try to stand up with your hands are wide. Take your right hand to your left leg. Then take your left hand to your right leg. Do it a few times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Left hand to your right leg. Your right hand to your left. Inhale. Go to the plank. Smile. Inhale, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Plank chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Plank chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Jump or go to the front. Take a deep breath. Go to the lower squat. Sit down and go up. And sit down. And wait for some more. Go to a plank. Now, take your legs, 1 and 2, and stretch them. Keep on working. You will feel your belly and your legs. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Deep breath. And keep on working. Keep on working some more. Now go up, balance again. Now sit down, my dear. Namaste on your hands. Take your elbows to your knees. Take your left hand and catch your right leg. Take your left hand up high and then switch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Switch again. Take a deep breath. try to stretch some more. Take your hands behind your back and stretch them. Plank again. Hold some more. Stretch some more. Take your right leg in front of the mat and take your left hand up high. Look on the sky. Then switch. Look on the sky. Smile. Life is good. Life is perfect. Love yourself. Side plant. Hold some more. Take a deep breath. Side plant. And now, my friend, when you warm up, you are ready to meditate. Let's meditate. Let's take some deep breath. Let's listen to the music. Listen to my voice. I love you. The universe loves you. You are the best. The life is the best for you. Now, this is the best time for you. You live in the right time. Deep breath. Believe in yourself. Namaste, my friend. Goodbye.